What's up, everybody? This is Sam with Nipper Rapper. I'm actually going to be teaching you some signs for farm animals. I know I just sound like an animal before, but they were wild animals. This time, I'm actually going to be teaching you some farm animals. Ready? Chicken, pig, horse, donkey, cow, goat, and rooster. So, I'm going to do it again slowly, and I want you to repeat after me. Ready? Chicken, horse, donkey, cow, pig, goat, and rooster. So, those are the silent ones that I taught. So, I also want to give a big shout out to Cooking with Cat and other fun stuff. They have some really awesome videos. So please subscribe to Cooking with Cat's YouTube channel. The link to those channels will be down below in the description. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, leave a comment. See you all next time, and peace out.